So for the B part, you're going to need two ornaments. The first one you're going to need is a high F cut with a G. To recap that, you simply click here. And you're also going to need a high E roll. Hein, do. Okay, now section 1 is D. So it's high D, C, A, D, breath. Okay, now you're going to try going tongue, slur, breath. And listen. And now try it with me. Hein, do. And watch out for the D to C interval. It's one of the hardest Danton whistle. Okay, so no harm in taking a couple of seconds to practice this. For a few seconds, okay? Now, next section. High E, cut your F, E, D, and sounds like this. Tongue, slur. Okay, sounds like this. Now you, hein, do. And then the third section. E, G, E, tongue, tongue, tongue. Sounds like. Sounds. Now try it with me. Wahoo. Now, frosa hein, not mlan. Hein, do. Wahoo. Hein, do. Okay, so your first section is high D. So it's high D, C, A, C, breath. Tongue, 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 breath. Listen. And play. Hein, do. Wahoo. Section 2. Excuse me, you just go to the D. Okay, so it's D, E, roll D, slur. Listen. Now you, hein, do. Wahoo. Now, last section is a simple C, A, tongue, tongue. Sounds like you play. Wahoo. So now, falsetto in omlan is fair play. Hein, do. A great nose falsetry is absolutely identical to frosa hein, so just head back there and try reviewing that. Hein, do. Frossa car is identical to frossa car in the first phrase. A